10 years ago, my wife and I launched a nonprofit called The Hope Effect. The nonprofit was born from both the success of Becoming Minimalist and our need to no longer waste money buying things we didn't need. In starting The Hope Effect, we had one simple but important conviction. Every child deserves a family. You see, millions of orphaned and vulnerable children around the world are growing up in orphanages, separated from the love, stability, and belonging that only a family can provide. And the research shows us that children who grow up inside the walls of an institutional orphanage fall behind in almost every stage of human development. So in November of 2015, we set out to change the way the world cares for orphans. I first shared our vision with the Becoming Minimalist community, and I was astounded by your generosity. And now, 10 years later, I am equally amazed at what we've accomplished together. So this month, as we celebrate 10 years of hope, here are 10 things worth celebrating through the work of the Hope Effect. First, more than 450 children are now in families. They're no longer growing up in institutions, but instead are experiencing love, safety, and belonging. The very future we dreamed of for them a decade ago. Second, families have been strengthened and reunited. Globally, 8 out of 10 children living in orphanages actually have relatives who could care for them. Through our programs, many of those children are returning home, restoring broken relationships and breaking cycles of separation. Number 3, our reach has grown. What began in one location has now expanded into 11 communities across 4 countries: Honduras, Mexico, Thailand, and Cambodia. And just recently, we received our newest partnership in Mae Sot, Thailand. The family care movement is spreading and growing around the world, and we're honored to be a part of it. Fourth, nearly 4,000 generous donors have stepped up to become part of the solution. Changing the way the world cares for orphans is a big dream, and we knew that from the beginning, but you have made it possible. Number 5, hundreds of those donors have joined the Circle of Hope. Our monthly giving community is sustaining this mission year-round, ensuring children continue to find the love of family. Sixth, your generosity has gone even further. Back in 2015, we raised $50,000 in less than 50 days to launch the Hope Effect. But since then, together, we have raised $4.5 million to help children experience the love of a family. What an incredible journey of growth and compassion. Thank you for making that a reality. A 7th thing to celebrate is that governments are now inviting us to help them. Instead of us going out and knocking on doors, government leaders are approaching us, asking for help to revolutionize their models of care in their states and communities. Over the last 10 years, our team has facilitated nearly 800 hours of training with government officials, equipping them with the tools and practices they need to reshape how they care for children. 8th, we celebrate the Hope Effect staff. Most of our team members are from the very communities we serve. In fact, less than 20% of Hope Effect team members are in the US. The rest are from overseas. Their dedication and passion for their communities are making a lasting difference for children every single day. Number 9, the mindset around the world is changing. Around the world, more and more people are realizing that orphanages aren't the answer, that families are. Governments are shifting their models, communities are rallying around family-based care, and real change is happening, just like we dreamt. And 10th, we celebrate every new child that's been placed in a family, each one with a name and a face and a story and a future. David, who overcame abuse and developmental delays and is now thriving in his foster family. Regina, who struggled with reading and writing, but through love and support is now a creative, confident little girl. Gael, whose loving foster family emotionally told us, from now on, he'll no longer be invisible. Every child's life has been transformed forever through the love of a family. And today, as we look back on the past 10 years of hope, we also look ahead to the future. On December 2nd, we'll celebrate Giving Tuesday, a global day of generosity. Our goal is to raise $250,000 so even more children can experience the love of family. And thanks to a generous group of donors, every gift will be matched dollar for dollar up to $125,000. So in honor of our 10 years together, would you consider giving $10 or any amount that you can? Your gift will be doubled. $10 becomes $20, $50 becomes $100. Every gift matters. Every gift changes a child's story and future. So if you'd like to learn more or to join us, visit hopeeffect.com. Thank you for being part of our journey. Together, we are changing the way the world cares for orphans because every child deserves a family.